It's probably the only comprehensive show in New Zealand in regards to the industry.
It's all the latest things, all the different technologies.
To know what's going on, to learn more.
There's a lot of new stuff. Interesting to see the robotics. Here we're looking for new equipment, new partners.
Everybody that's in the industry is here.
Well, we have been coming here for 25 years and there's a reason for that. We do find that it's successful.
It's definitely a very good ground to meet new customers and establish and support the customers that we've already been working with.
It's a place where you can engage. I mean, at the end of the day, it's all about building relationships too with the companies that are the ones that are presenting something innovative.
You don't know exactly what's out there until you get to a place like this.
It brings a lot of industry leaders to one centred place and enables you to save a lot of time.
Everything is under one roof.
Just to get right around the whole place is going to be a challenge.
I think you will leave with a lot of knowledge, inspiration.
Come and have a look at it. I think there's a bit for everybody to come and see.
Yes, I have found what I've been looking for, yes.
Everyone you need to see all in one place.
It helps us and equips our company to always think forward and think about how can we better serve our customers and clients and New Zealand as a whole.